Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 18. Would like to present about writing subject. But before that, let me introduce the member. The member are Titi Haryani, Recha Mega Puspita, Vivian Rahmawati, and Putri Aisyah Ghazali. And right now, the definition of writing. Writing is a method of representing a language in a visual or text form. Writing system uses sets of symbols to represent the sounds of speech and may also have symbols for such things as punctuation and numerals. And the next, types of writing tasks. The first, gap filling. The next, form completion. The third, making corrections. The next one, letter writing. And the last one, essay writing. The first one, gap filling. One of the most controlled ways of testing writing is a gap filling. Test is represented with a passage with blanks, and they fill in the blanks. The second, form completion. Another controlled way of testing writing is to have the test fill out of form. For example, an application. The third, making correction. In some situations, test is presented with a short piece of writing which has deliberate grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors, and they are asked to correct the errors. And the fourth, letter writing. Letter writing is a common task for writing tests. The stimulus for the letter may be situation that is explained in the instructions letter to which the tests are instructed to respond. Information given in a chart or graph form that is to be summarized in the test letter. Pictures or drawing that give information about the situation the text are. The text are expected to write a letter about, and etc. And the last, essay writing. Essay writing is probably one of the more common writing tasks, but it should be used carefully. If the future situation of the students will not include writing essays, the tester should carefully consider whether it is the best test of the student's writing ability. And the next component of writing. The first, grammatical ability, lexical ability, mechanical ability, stylistic skills, organization skills, and the last one, judgments of appropriacy. The first, grammatical ability. This is the ability to write English in a grammatically correct sentences. The next, lexical ability. The ability to choose words that are correct and used appropriately. And the third, mechanical ability. The ability to correctly use punctuation, spelling, capitalization, and etc. The fourth, stylistic skills. The ability to use sentences and paragraphs appropriately. And the next, organizational skills. The ability to organize written work according to the conventions of English, including the order and selection of materials. And the last one, judgments of appropriacy. The ability to make a judgment about what appropriate depending on the task, the purpose of rewriting, and the audience. the next category, the ways of writing tests. There are instructions, choice of topic, and the last, choice of task. Instructions. The instructions should use as few words as possible, consistent with making the writing task, and situation clear, so that the test does not spend too much time on the instructions. Choice of topic. Choosing the topic is a very important part of the writing task. If the test find that the topic is something that they cannot respond to, they will not be able to show the writing ability. Choice of task. Connected discourse. The test should require a test to read a piece of connected discourse. And the last one, the way to score. The criteria. Number 1, grammar, 20%. Number 2, organization, 20%. Number 3, content or substance, 20%. Number 4, fulfillment of purpose, 20%. And the last, vocabulary or word choice, 20% score. Right now, the conclusion. In making test of writing, number of factors need to be taken into account, depending on the student's level of proficiency, their purposes for learning to write, and so on. In general, writing tasks should, if possible, reflect the uses that students will make of writing outside